In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recover your permanently deleted Facebook page after 30 days. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. If you have deleted your Facebook page and 30 days have passed, then it means that Facebook page is now permanently deleted. So in order to recover that sort of Facebook page, what you have to do is to open the Facebook application. Click on your profiles icon at the top right corner of your screens. Then scroll down and click on help and support. Click on report a problem. Again click on report a problem. Click on include in report. Scroll down and select pages. Now in this box you need to briefly state the issue that you are facing. I would suggest that you just copy paste whatever I am writing here. I'll also put this paragraph in the description below so you guys can just copy paste it from there. At the end of the paragraph, do not forget to mention your phone number and email address that is linked with your Facebook. Once you have stated down your issue, all you have to do is to click on the send option at the top right corner of your screens. Once you click on send, within the next 24 hours, your deleted Facebook page will be recovered. In this way, you can recover your permanently deleted Facebook page. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.